Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is our Boxycharm box for the month of October. And as you guys can see here, my box took a little bit of a beating being delivered. I don't know what happened this time. It usually gets here nice and pretty, but for some reason this month was a little bit beat up. So I hope nothing inside got broken. But for those of you that don't know about Boxycharm, this is now I believe it is, wait, did they change the price? I have to do my research because I totally forgot. I want to say they just recently put the price up. Or am I imagining things? But normally this is $21 a month plus shipping. No, not shipping. Taxes. What's wrong with me today? This is a $21 a month subscription. I want to say they just recently raised it up to $25. Boxycharm is doing a whole thing with their subscription now. They're trying to switch it up. I'm assuming just because they want to charge a little bit more money for it. But you are set to get deluxe. No, not deluxe. What is wrong with me today? You are set to get full-size items that are worth at least $100 in here. So let's get into it. Before I start taking my items out though, I do want to remind you guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I want to be doing this for you guys and for myself. It's just fun getting boxes with a bunch of different makeup. Like, come on, who doesn't like makeup? But I like to do it here with everybody, here with all of you guys. And if you guys support my channel, you know, it helps me stay here a little bit longer. And so let's get into it here. And oh, look, wait. Oh, okay. So we have our little pamphlet, like we normally get. The product information is on the inside, you know, for the things that we have in here. But, and this is a whole thing that I was talking about Boxycharm doing a whole thing with their subscription now. It says, introducing the bigger Boxycharm Premium. So it is a beauty box worth over $175 value for only $35. So I think this is going to be a upgrade. This is going to be an upgrade to the one that we have now. And then right under that it says introducing Boxycharm 2.0, which is the one that we have here. It says receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 for only $25 per month starting November 1st. So next month this box will be going up to $25 a month, but you will be getting at least $125 or more. You will also be able to customize your box. You can now receive foundation or concealer products matching your skin tone. Then also you get to choose one item for your box. I guess, you know, they're going to give you a bunch of options and you get to choose one item that will go into your box for sure. And you can also choose add-ons. And again, and they've had the Boxy pop-up for a little bit now. So you will also have the option of buying things from there. So like I said, Boxycharm is, again, it's doing like a whole thing with their subscription now. They're trying to obviously grow it. So let's get into the products that we have now for the month of October. So the very first one that I see sitting here, it is a highlighter and it is from Steve Laurent and it is a jelly highlighter. Oh, I hope it's jelly. It's an actual jelly highlighter. I've never had a jelly highlighter and it is in the shade Cotton Candy. It looks like it's going to be really, really pretty. That's our packaging there. So let me touch it. Ooh, that feels weird. So when you look at it, I hope you guys can see it. When you guys look at it, it almost looks like a powder, but then when you touch it, it feels like a cream, but then at the same time, jelly. So that is it on my finger there. So let me, whoa, that is so pretty. That is it there on my hand. It is very, very pretty. So towards the end of the video, I'm gonna grab one of my brushes and try to put it on, see how it goes on top of the makeup that I'm already wearing. So item number 1, pretty nice. Up next, which one do I want to grab? I'll go ahead and grab this one here. It is from Jante Blue. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is a lip liner in dark natural. So that is it there. That's it. That's what it looks like. So let's see. Okay. It not the creamiest, not the smoothest, but you do get some pigment. It's right on there. It's going on better than any of the other ones that we've received before in this box. Up next, I'll go ahead and grab this one. Is this a lip gloss? That's a really pretty color. It is from Iconic London, and it is a lip plumping gloss in the shade Love Struck. So this is, sorry, let me show you guys the packaging there. It's a nice light pinkish gloss with a gold lid. Ooh. And of course, since it is a plumping lip gloss, you can smell that mintiness in there. And there's not much of a tint to it. It goes what is wrong with me today? It goes on almost clear, just a slight pinkish tint to it. So item number 3, we are down to 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. It is from Touch and Soul, and it is the Pretty Filter Glossy Skin Balm. I'm afraid. I have oily skin, so by hearing the word glassy skin balm, it makes me think that it will give you a dewy look. I think I have enough dewiness on my skin. So it is a cream. So I'm assuming once you put this on, it does say it is a balm. So I'm assuming when you put this on, it will leave that dewiness behind that will eventually transfer through your foundation. And yeah, that's, you're probably not going to be able to see much of a difference because it's not so dramatic. But by putting it in my arm, rubbing it in, you can see that my skin got a little bit of like a shine to it. So this one for sure, I'll pass it on to my sisters. To one of them, they have better skin than I do. So I'm sure they will have good use out of this one. Ooh, so up next, we have something here from Dose of Colors. I do not own any eyeshadow palettes from Dose of Colors. We have the Marvelous Mauves. So that is our outside packaging there. This is our, whoa, very reflective. So I apologize if you see my stuff from, that's reflecting off of here, but this is it there. Let's look at the colors. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Okay, so how can I show it to you guys? So it does come with a brush. It's a small little brush here, and it's almost like a smaller or a little bit bigger, like a pencil kind of brush here. So let me show you the colors. I'm trying to show you guys so without showing you, the reflection of everything that's behind the camera. But they are really, really pretty colors. I hope you guys can see them there. They are super pretty. So let me see if I can get some swatches. You guys know how great of a swatcher I am. So let me try. Oh, wow. I'm getting the color from this one here and just placing my finger on top and moving it a little bit. And look at that payoff. That is crazy. It is super soft. OMG. I am in love with these colors. These are the colors here. They swatch so beautifully. They are those there. They are super duper pigmented. They go on so nice. They are so smooth. So those were all of the items from our box. I don't know. I really, really like the items that we got here. Let me get my pamphlet. So let me read off the full size prices for these items. So we're gonna start off with our Dose of Colors palette, and this one retail value is $32. Up next, our Touch and Soul Pretty Filtered Glassy Skin Balm, retail value is $32 as well. Then up next, our iconic London Plumping Gloss, this one is $26. Our Steve Laurent, Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, regular price or retail price is $26. And last but not least, we have our Jonte Blue Lip Liner Pencil, and this one is $5. So let me go ahead and add these up really quick, and I will, you know what, I will actually put up the value up on the screen, and that on the screen there is our retail value for the box. Let me know what you guys think down below. Now really quick, let me go ahead and grab a makeup remover towel so I can maybe put on some of that highlighter, a little bit of the eyeshadow, and you know, the things that I can put on. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by putting on some of this highlighter. It's really pretty. I can't wait anymore. So let's see how it works with the makeup that I already have on. Oh, that's pretty. So not super, I don't know if maybe it's just because of the brush that I'm using, but whoa, yeah, no, never mind. That is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. It is it's going on really nice, even though I already have like powder and other things on top of, you know, on top of this or under this, that the highlighter that I'm putting on, and it looks really nice. So up next, let me just grab a few colors off of this palette and put them on my lids and see how those go on. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna start off by which one should I do? They're all super pretty. I'm gonna do this one. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna do this one on my crease as my transition shade, and then I'm just gonna work my way down over to these and then see just see what I can come up with. Wow, these are blending so nicely. I'm really liking this palette. Let me grab this one here. I'm gonna put this one more towards my crease. I honestly can't believe how easy these are blending. So this is the one that I just put closer towards my crease. Then I'm gonna put this one all over my lid, and then I'm gonna use the darkest one just on the outer corner. Okay, so I don't know why this eye is always my problem eye. This one though, I love how it came out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this lip liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the gloss on top. So let me do that. So this lip liner is honestly really close to my actual lip color. So that is the lip liner. Like I said, not much of a difference. Let me put the lip gloss on top, see if that helps a little bit. Okay, so once I put the lip gloss on top, it does look a little bit nicer than you know, just the lip liner alone. So I, you know, put the lip liner on, filled in my lips, and then I just put the lip gloss on top. Okay, so those were all the items for our box for the month of October. And you know what? I actually really liked it. I know we got a lot of things that we normally get, like lip glosses, lip liners, highlighters, but that's what the box is all about. This box is usually very makeup heavy, and honestly I do like the theme that they had going on this month. Very, you know, mauve, I think that's how you say it. The colors that they use throughout the whole box, they all go really well together. Putting something together on my face was really easy because everything was pretty much ready to go. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And I got box variation 6. So let me know what you guys got. I know this box has different variations. Let me know what you guys got compared to what I got. Did you guys get maybe anything better than I did? I know they had a lot of different options of these eyeshadows. So let me know what you guys got down below. Let me know what you guys think about my box. And that is all from me for today. I will be back really, really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys all back here. So see you soon. Bye.